Hi business owners, I hope you're well. Welcome to the J29 Business Simplified YouTube channel. We're all about helping business owners learn, grow and get your business online. So it's been a tough few months. It's still quite tough. I don't know how your business is doing, but it's really been difficult getting a business growing through COVID-19. Seeing so many businesses close down. So I was thinking about a few online tools that are free that we as business owners can use to help us save cash and still keep our business in the game. So here are the 5 tools. First one, if you're interested in revamping your logo, if you don't have a business logo, there is a free online tool you can use. It's called a Hatchfill from a company called Shopify. You go onto their website. If you have a look at the screenshot I'm showing now, you get to design a logo. There are some limitations, but you do get a logo with your business name, images you choose, or icons you choose. And the great part is that you get a folder, a zip folder with all the logos that you can use that's resized for different platforms. So your logo is not pixelated, it looks professional, and it really gives your brand a good image. So start off with Shopify, get your free logo if you don't have a good logo that's not working for you at the moment. It's a really great tool and it's free. The second one is business finances. Now, I know we're thinking, okay, what finances, because business has been so tough. But keeping track on your business finances all the time is important. And I know most of the financial management software tools out there are paid, where you have to pay a monthly subscription. But there is a free one. It's called Wave Accounting. I'll leave a link in the description of the video as well. So check out Wave. It's really good. It really saves you a lot of cash and a lot of time. So you can actually do your invoicing of Wave. You can customize your invoices. You can check your reports. You can give your accountant access. It really streamlines all your finances and it makes your business look more professional when you're using professional accounting software. The big thing is that it also saves you cash, because if you go to an accountant or bookkeeper with a box of receipts or invoices, they're going to charge you for processing that. So you're saving yourself cost by using Wave Accounting. And as I said, it's free and a great tool. The next one, Canva. Canva is graphic design software, or kind of a graphic design software that you can use to create graphics for your social media presence, documents you need in your business. It looks very professional. There is a free version and a paid version of Canva, but for many of us, we're trying to get out there and get clients to find out about our businesses. And when you give a professional image using Canva, you're probably going to attract more clients, more attention, hopefully get more clients. So Canva has got so many templates that are already pre-built for you to use, get going, and start using it in your business. That will really help you for your social media, documents in your business, and it looks very professional. So if you see the screenshots that I'm showing at the moment, these are some of the designs you can make in Canva, even with the free version. The next one, Pexels. Pexels is online stock photos that you can use. So for example, if you're doing social media, or you need pictures for your website, or you need graphics, you can go to Pexels. You can use these images for free, and there's a wide range of images for different situations. Maybe you needed to put it on your company profile or some document for your business. And the last one, which is a bonus, is a free Facebook course that we're offering at J29 Business Simplified. And as a business owner, you're probably thinking, like, everybody's saying get online, and you're wondering, okay, where do I start now? How do I actually get online? And it all comes down to budget. Do you need a website now? Do you need to maybe get a digital marketing company to help you with getting online? But there are a few simple steps you can take, like just getting a Facebook page, getting started, starting a Facebook page, a Facebook group, to get people to find your business, to find out about your products and your services. So we've put together a very basic course, very simple, straight to the point course showing you how to get a professional Facebook business page going for your business. Course is about an hour and 30 minutes. Well, you can probably do it in an hour. So I'll leave a link to that course, and if you sign up, let us know what you think of the course. And yeah, I think these are some tools that are really going to save you cash, really going to help you maybe get your business back in the game. Let us know in the comments what you think of these tools. Have you tried any of them? Do you have any free tools that you are using to help you save cash at the moment in your business? And visit our website, connect with us on our Facebook page. We also have a group where there's some more information you can get to help you out with compliance and all these other things that business owners generally need help with or need to focus on. So as we are on level 1 lockdown now and the economy starts to open, I wish you all the best for your business. I hope that you start to grow and those customers start coming in. I'll catch you in the next video, and all the best.